Need some tea? I got you. Crap, I gotta pick all that up. Hey guys, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you what comes in the sipsby Immune Boosting Tea set and their chai tea box. So this one is just one that's normally on their site. This one, however, is part of their tea care package. So I'm just going to go into a little bit more detail on what's in each box. So each box retails for $15. It comes with enough tea for about 15 cups of tea. So definitely you're just paying like $1 a tea, which is perfect. So it comes with some disposable tea filters, a reusable muslin one, of course your teas, and then it has that card in there that says what teas are in there, some steeping instructions, and a bonus coupon for each brand that is featured. So starting off, I'm just going to go right into the immune boosting one because that's probably why you're here. So let's dive right in. I'm going to go ahead and apologize if I mispronounce any of these. Y'all know my pronunciation is just crap. So let's jump right in. So the first tea is the Tealyra, and it is the immunity booster. So this is a blend that is formulated to help reduce stress levels. We have Tulsi, turmeric, ginger from organic India. This tea supports a healthy immune system and natural detoxification. Organic Rooibos from My Red Tea. This tea is caffeine free and rich in antioxidants. And this one from Tea Drops called Boost is a powerhouse blend of organic matcha, ginger, lemon that will help fuel your body and mind. So that is pretty much what's in the first box. Again, you get enough for about 15 cups of tea. It comes with that disposable. So if I'm not mistaken, all of the teas in the immunity box, part of their tea care package, they are all already in tea bags, so I don't even think you need the reusable one. So if you have some other teas lying around, now you have some extra bags. But moving right along, one of my favorite boxes, we're going into the chai tea box. I love chai teas, and I just love that there's so many options for chai teas. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So in this chai tea box, which one I'm really excited to try. This is the vanilla chai from Pinky Up. The site describes it as a warm, cozy in the cabin, cuddle up feeling tea. So I mean, who wouldn't want that, especially since we're all pretty much stuck in the house right now. We have Spice from Healthy Tea, which is an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant rich blend that is primarily good for immunity boosting and is great to combat cold and flu season. We have Chilli Chai from Teapigs, and it's a classic chai but with a kick of chili flakes. And the last tea here from the tea box is Hairy Chai Pen Ginger Chai Tea. Wow, that is a mouthful. So it is a blend inspired by Harry Chapman, an American singer, songwriter, humanitarian, and producer. So that was pretty much all the information I could get from the site on the tea, but on the back of it, it just says it's a ginger chai tea. It's caffeinated, has ginger, lemongrass, licorice root, peppermint, black pepper, black tea, and natural organic flavors. That's pretty much all this one's described as. But yeah, those are all the teas in the chai box. I will have the direct link for each of these boxes down in the description box below. However, if you click the link above it, you will get a discount code for, I want to say, $5 off your first box. I'm not 100% sure. That one is an affiliate link, so that's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Those are the teas, the immunity boosting box, which is featured in sipsby's tea care package shop, and then the chai tea box, which is just part of their regular tea collection. That one they actually do change out every so often. So if you go on the website now, they'll actually show some of the teas that were in the old box. But that is pretty much it. I hope you guys found this video, you know, enjoyable if you were looking into getting sipsby. So hopefully I answered any of those questions about these boxes. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when the next time I upload. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.